In this lecture, we're going to look at the muscles of the abdomen. The muscles of the abdomen protect the viscera and also help move the vertebral column. The anterolateral abdominal walls include the external oblique, internal oblique, and transversus abdominis muscles, and that's going to form three protective layers around the abdomen. The muscle fascicles of each layer extend in a different direction, conferring considerable protection to the abdominal viscera. The aponeurosis of these three muscles form the rectus sheaths, which includes the rectus abdominis muscles. And the sheaths are going to form the linea alba, which is a connective tissue band extending from the xiphoid process down to the pubic symphysis. So we'll start there. Here's the rectus sheath. This line here is the linea alba. Linea alba simply means white line. And here's the rectus abdominis muscles. That is what's going to give you that six-pack appearance. And over here, we have the external oblique muscle. Notice that the direction that the fibers are running. It's like putting your hands in the pocket of a hoodie. They're going to run in that direction. Now, once we dissect below that, we're going to run into the internal oblique muscles, and they're going to run in the opposite direction. And then below that is the transversus abdominis muscles. And again, those are going to run in a transverse direction.